Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make photo frame easy, full guide. Gather your materials first: wood strips, glass, backing, glue, clamps, saw, sandpaper, and measuring tape. Measure the photo and add fit allowances, then mark and cut each piece precisely. Dry fit corners before gluing to confirm alignment and miter accuracy. Clamp and leave to cure, then sand, finish, install glass and backing, and enjoy your custom frame. Share tips with friends for inspiration. Start assembly by confirming all cut pieces match the measured lengths and miters. Lay pieces flat, dry fit corners, and check for gaps or twist in the frame. Apply glue evenly, press corners together, and use right-angle clamps or a corner jig for consistent pressure. Wipe excess glue promptly with a damp cloth to avoid marks. Let the frame cure completely, then remove clamps and inspect joints before sanding and finishing. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with framing goals and planning projects. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the frame is assembled, sand all surfaces starting with medium grit and finishing smooth with fine grit. Choose a finish that complements your decor, such as a clear coat for natural wood or paint for a pop of color. Allow finishes to dry fully between coats, then reassemble the glass and artwork carefully. Use small backing nails or flex points to hold the picture securely and add hanging hardware appropriate for the frame size.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.